Hi friends, welcome back. If you're new to here, my name is Ronron Deval. I am a full-time fashion illustrator based in Houston, Texas. In this YouTube channel, you will find everything about fashion illustration, from how to draw to make a career out of it, and everything in between, the behind the scene of running a successful art business. A lot of you have been asking me, so what is fashion illustrator? Okay, what fashion illustrator really does. In this video, I will walk you through what really is fashion illustrator and what it takes if you want to become one. So let's get it started. And don't forget, watch this video until the end. I have a surprise for you. So traditionally, long time ago, fashion illustrator is a middleman between the designer and the technician. So maybe the designer who cannot draw and they need artists to translate their vision or their idea onto paper, then the technician, the sewer, the pattern maker, they can look at the illustration so they know what the dress or the gown looks like. So they can start looking for material and make it happen, make it into reality. However, this is far beyond the truth nowadays. So in this video, I will share 4 major ways that what modern fashion illustrator does, and you will be surprised how fun the jobs are. First, fashion illustrator does is to do editorial illustration. That's why if you flip through Vogue, Marie Claire, InStyle, you will find a lot of fashion illustrations in the magazine that features certain designer dresses or certain skincare or makeup brand. And that's one way that modern fashion illustrator does, is to do editorial illustration. And that was me to get started obsessed with fashion illustration, is because I found them in the Vogue magazine, and I used to use my lunch money to collect them when back in China when I was in the middle school. The second way fashion illustrator does is to design packaging for fashion and beauty companies. I recently collaborated with Conair Hair. We did an awesome collaboration for their new hair products, and not only we did the packaging, but also we did design the marketing material. I'll put the link down below, you can check it out. We even won the American Graphic Design Award. And not only just me, there's many other amazing fashion illustrators out there doing a similar thing. Opportunity is endless, and it's so much fun to, when you walk into a retail store and see your art and project on the shelf on their product. Another way fashion illustrator does is to live sketching, and it's one of my favorite job to do. For example, during my career, I am lucky to be able to travel to so many different places and work with so many dream brands and celebrities, is because I get hired by them to sketch at their events and parties. Last but not least is to sell your own fashion illustration to your fans and followers. So selling to fans and followers has generated me the most income for my business, and I think it's the easiest way to start. All you need to do is to create 5 to 10 reasonably good art and post on Etsy or have your own Shopify website, and have a social media like Pinterest or Instagram. Then you are on to business. You can start selling, which is relatively easy to do, and you have 100% control, versus other ways that fashion illustrator either has to get into the editorial work or get jobs from the fashion and beauty companies. So selling your own art is the easiest way to start, to become a fashion illustrator, to gain some momentum, to build a fan base. And actually, I think it's the most fun because you have 100% control. You don't need to listen to art directors or editors. You can create whatever you want to create. However, one thing I do want to mention is you do not want to draw any brand logos and put on your artwork. For example, I see a lot of art on the market, which is no. You do not want to do that because you will get sued by those companies. So that's my friendly advice for you. And so just recap, modern fashion illustrators can do 1. Editorial work, 2. To do design packaging and marketing materials for fashion beauty company. 3. You can live sketching at New York Fashion Week or any of those fancy beauty fashion companies, events and parties. The 4th way is to just start on your own. Start selling, start build a fan that who love your fashion illustration and want to hang in their home or drink as a coffee mug. So what are you most excited about? Comment below if you want to learn more, and I will teach you everything I know inside my program, Fashion Illustration 101. You can check out the link down below. I am excited to have you as my student, and this course is completely self-paced, and you will learn from how to draw a fashion figure, how to color it, and how to edit it, finalize, and also how to monetize, like these 4 ways I teach and many more inside the course. And remember, I mentioned earlier in the video, I said I have a surprise for you. It is my absolutely favorite art supply list. What are you waiting for? Go download the free list and it will help you jumpstart your next fashion drawing. I hope today's video helped you gain some more clarity of what Fashion Illustrator really does and how to become one. If you want to know more, don't forget to subscribe because I can't wait to share more what I learned with you. And also, don't forget to comment below what kind of topics that you want me cover next videos. And until next time, I hope you keep practicing and get better. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.